Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Amit Batra with us from BBG. A very warm welcome to EQ.
Hi, good afternoon.
Sir, can you just let us know about any product new launches and any innovations that are planned for this year and as well as for the upcoming 2026?
Okay, so see, I'll give you a brief introduction about myself first. I'm heading purchase over here. So I have 17 years of experience in solar only. I had seen the solar from the start, from 2010. Now we are sitting in the year 2020-25. So I had seen the drop and ups and from the solar. So what now? This is the best time for the India, where the government is supporting, and now the Make in India is like supported by the Indian government, where people like BVG and many more industries, people who are putting a lot of investments so that India can grow. So when I'll talk about specifically about the future products which BVG is gonna launch, see, as of now, as we all know that the TOPCon technology is going on, and the further up the technology which is there to become, that is back contact and the TOPCon technology, as well as along with that HGT. So BVG is working on all these technologies, so that we can cater the future needs of the India. So this is the technology where BVG is working on, especially on the HGT part.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about how will the GST reduction on solar cells impact manufacturers and cost competitiveness?
Yeah. So this is very big initiative taken by the Indian government. So see, earlier the GST was 12%. Now government has reduces the GST from 12% to 5%, which has drastically reduced the cost. So what was happening is, earlier the developers, they were paying 12% GST. So suppose if it's a 100 crore of a project, then 12% GST will be how much? If it now it is 5%. There is a huge drastic difference that has come, and this will definitely boost the solar. So the second thing is, which will impact with the reduction of the GST, that there is a lot of dependency on Chinese. What we do is we are importing lot of cells from China. Now, as government is supporting along with the GST, along with the anti-dumping duties which government is proposing and putting over the China, this will really help India to grow and make the India Atmanirbhar. So this is really helping India in this.
That's great. If we talk about last year financial year, so how BVG has performed, if you can just share.
So see, last year only we came into the manufacturing. So last year we had a 600 megawatt of module manufacturing line. We did a very good job because we were very new to this market, and it for a BVG, this manufacturing is totally new. So we really performed well in last financial year when I'll talk about the revenues, profits, because everybody knows BVG not from the solar, but from the other side. BVG has a very strong strength in the market. People knows BVG, and we have a very good team. We have a renowned people who are there from different industry, different background, from different sectors, and different I can say verticals over here. They are very key persons who really help BVG to in terms of revenue and profits.
We wish all the luck to BVG and in the coming years. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.